Or you came from Bangalore just to have this. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, today I'm gonna show you India's viral or the India's famous chicken stew here in Kolkata in a place called the Dekers Lane, right? So I'm gonna go to this place called the Dekers Lane and show you the famous chicken stew as well as other dishes as well, not only the chicken stew. So let's go guys and explore and see the viral or the famous chicken stew that you get here in a place called the Dekers Lane here in Kolkata, right? And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and yeah, watch the vlog till the end. Let's go explore and see the famous chicken stew and the delicious food, right? If you love food, subscribe. Let's go guys. Guys, so this lane here is called the Dekers Lane, right? So I'm gonna take you to this famous chicken stew brother here. He sits somewhere here, right on the left. So let's go. You can even get all different street foods here, right? Chinese, Indian, and you can name it. Look guys, what is this brother making in this huge pan? It's some sort of a sweet. Hello brother. Namaskar Dada. Good afternoon. How are you? You're fine? Guys, he is the main person of the shop. What was the name Dada? Apna naam ami bhule gachi. Sandeep Roy. His name is Mr. Sandeep Roy. So yeah. Oh wow. Look at this guys. দাদা এটা কি কি আছে এখন?
এটা ফিশ চপ আছে, ডিবেট টেবিল আছে, ফিশ রোল আছে।
Oh guys, they have fish chop which is made with the batter and the fish, and they have egg chop. Chop is like something that is like deep fried with the batter in the oil, right? Well, that's how it is. And they have this roll. এটা কোন roll দাদা?
ফিশ রোল।
Fish roll. Wow, look guys. Right guys, so here we are, right? Now this is the famous chicken stew spot, right? It's called the Chitto Bahadur Dukan here in Kolkata in a place called the Dekers Lane, right? Look guys. Now you can get different fish item here as well, right? These are the fish items. Hello Dada, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Which fish is this, brother?
This is called vetki fish.
Bhetki fish. Guys, the name of this fish is the Bhetki fish, and they fry this with batter, right? And
fish fry হবে, fish batter fry হবে, fish diamond fry হবে, boneless chicken pakora হবে।
this is the diamond fish, guys, because the shape is like a diamond, right? And this is the pakora. Brother, this is fish or chicken?
Chicken.
Okay, guys, this one is the chicken pakora. Now let's go towards the chicken stew and show you guys. Look, right now it's a month of November, right? It's a bit cold. Hello Dada, good afternoon. So what are you selling in this huge pot? Chicken stew, right? Guys, look at the size of this pot, right? Can feed I think more than 500 people at once, I guess, right? And they cook throughout the day, right? Look guys, the delicious chicken stew, and you can enjoy that chicken stew with this bread, right? Now look guys, this is the bread here, and this is something very unique and authentic, right? well, people they bake the toast the bread in the toaster, right? But here they toast the bread right on top of the charcoal, which is like very authentic, old school, right? And the taste is nice as well, right? Better than the bread toaster. Look, guys. Look, guys. And they will give you this salad with the chicken stew and with the fresh fries as well.
আমি আপনাকে 30 টাকা দিচ্ছি।
এদিকে এদিকে ঘুরে রে একটা ঠিক বক্সে কাস্টমার আছে সেটাকে তুলে নেবে আসুন।
Hello, Mr. Babu. Good afternoon.
My
How are
name is
you?
Rubaida.
Oh, Mr. Bubai. Sorry, my bad.
Chitta is the name in soup.
Okay. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. I'm well. Thank you. Yeah, look, guys. So they start selling the chicken stew from 10 in the morning till দাদা কত অবধি আপনারা চিকেন স্টিউ সার্ভ করেন এখানে?
নটা নটা
রাত 9টা অবধি? Okay. So they start from 10 in the morning till 9 p.m. at night, right? So you can enjoy this delicious chicken stew here in Kolkata. And they give you this black pepper on top, right? That's how it is, guys. Hello, brother. Good afternoon. How are you? All good. All good. So, how's the food? Khana kaisa bhi hai?
came from Bangalore just to have food here.
Oh, you came from Bangalore just to have this delicious chicken stew. Okay, so how's the taste? It's nice? First time you're having this? Uh-huh.
Came here from office work.
Okay. So you like the taste, right? Okay, Dada. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Guys, they even sell, chili chicken. This is the chili chicken. Right, brother? Right.
জয় জগন্নাথ
Okay, and what's this?
স্পেশাল লিভার কারি
Oh, this is the liver curry. Which liver is this? Chicken liver.
চিকেন লিভার
Chicken liver. Wow, guys, have you tried chicken liver before? You let me know in the comment, yeah? And
বাসন্তী পোলাও
this is the basanti pulao, right? Look, guys. It's a rice. The name of the rice is basanti, right? And it's yellow in color. So if you tried something like this, you let me know in the comment as well, guys.
চিকেন কষানো
And you can enjoy that, basanti pulao with this delicious chicken kosa. Kosa is the gravy, the
চিকেন কষা
chicken kosa. In Kolkata, you call this chicken kosa. Yeah, which is the chicken curry.
ভেজিটেবল স্টু
And this is the
ভেজিটেবল স্টু
vegetable stew.
পেঁপে গাজর সব মেনু পোলাও
I showed you the chicken stew. This is the vegetable stew, right? They have soybeans, some carrots, some papaya, some beans, right? So it's very light and healthy as well.
ডিমের কষানো ডিমের কষা
And they even have egg curry here as well, right? This is the egg curry. So you can enjoy this egg curry with bread or with the rice I showed you, right? Guys, look at this humongous size of plate, right? The size of the plate is just so big. Look, you can enjoy this basanti rice with the chicken kosa, which is the chicken curry, right?
চিনি ছাড়া যাবে
Yeah. Guys, and not only Kolkata but all over India, right? They use this, beautiful flowers, to honor the gods here, right? And that's what this brother's gonna do. It's called the mala. It's like a what do you call that? I don't know. But in Bengali you call this mala. So they will, honor this to the god. That's how it is. And the name of this flower is marigold. Yeah?
হ্যাঁ হবে।
হ্যাঁ ফিশ ফ্রাই
Marigold.
ফিশ ফ্রাই 90 আছে, 140
And guys, if you ever come to Kolkata, please do come and find this brother here. The name of the shop is the Chitto Bahadur Dukan here in a place called the Dakers Lane, known as the James something. I forgot.
Also known as James Chickiswara.
James Chickiswara. Look, guys. And they have other beautiful flowers here as well. I love the colors. Looks amazing. Not amazing, looks beautiful, like you guys are. And guys, this place gets super crowded, all the time. Only on Sundays they are closed, so please do not come on Sundays. You will not find them. You'll be disappointed if you come on Sunday. But Monday to Saturday, these brothers are here. If you want to try some delicious, chicken fries and chicken stew and yeah, some authentic, Indian food or Kolkata food, right? This is how it is.
আমি 30 টাকা পাবো, ঠিক আছে?
Okay, Dada. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate. Okay. Take care, Dada. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, if you want to try some delicious chicken stew here in Kolkata, please come and do visit this place called the Chitto's Babu's Dukan here in a place called the Dakers Lane, right? Well, it's healthy, it's light. If you love food and chicken, this is the right spot for you guys. See you soon. Let's make memories. Love, peace. Peace out. Take care. And subscribe, guys. Bye.